You can't change the world, but you can change your mentality. Success always depends on your mentality. Maybe you don't have enough strength. Maybe you don't know the way to achieve. Maybe you never did it in the past. Believe it! Nothing is impossible if you can change your mentality. Your positive mentality is the key to success. It's not possible to build it in a day. You have to practice to develop positive mentality. It is always hard to change the situation unless you accept the challenge. Everything will go against you. Everyone will refuse you. Nobody will help you to reach your destination. You will face problems every step of the way. Everybody will tell you no. This is not for you. You don't have the ability to achieve it. But you will have to prove them wrong. You have to accept the challenge. The people are only successful in the world if they accept the challenge. Never forget it. If others can do the best, you can do better. You have the power of showing glorious victory. Accept the challenge now and show them the smile in your victory later. It is hard, but anything is possible if you can accept the challenge.